Hi students, study materials for average and slow learners, science, physics lessons 4, 5, 6. Lesson 4 electricity. Question number 1 define the unit of current. The unit of current is ampere. 1 coulomb of charge flows through the conductor in 1 second is called electric current. 2. What happens to the resistance as the conductor is made thicker? Resistance decreases and resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. Why is tungsten metal used in bulbs but not in fuse wires? Tungsten has high melting point. If it is used in fuse wire, it will not melt when large current passes through it. Appliances will get damaged. Name any two devices which are working on the heating effect of the electric current. Electric heater and electric toaster. State Ohm's law. At constant temperature, the steady current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference between two ends of the conductor. I is directly proportional to V. Distinguish between the resistivity and conductivity of a conductor. Resistivity rho is equal to Ra by L. Conductivity sigma is equal to 1 by rho. Then the unit is ohm meter, and for conductivity ohm inverse meter inverse. Question number 7. What connection is used in domestic appliances and why? Parallel connection is used. 8. A. What is meant by electric current? The rate of flow of charges in a conductor. B. Name and define its units. The unit of current is ampere. 1 coulomb of charge flows through the conductor in 1 second. Which instrument is used to measure the electric current? How should it be connected in a circuit? Ammeter, it should be connected in series connection. 9th one, A. State Joule's law of heating. The heat produced in a resistor is directly proportional to square of the current, resistance and time. B. An alloy of nickel and chromium is used as heating element. Why? Because it has high resistivity, high melting point and not easily oxidized. What are the advantages of LED TV over the normal TV? Bright quality picture, more lifespan, thin size. List the merits of LED bulbs. Low power, not harmful, low cost. With the help of circuit diagram, derive the formula for the resultant resistance of three resistances connected in series and in parallel. See, in series and parallel. Series according to Ohm's law, the same in parallel. But in series combination, current is same, but in parallel combination, current is differ. In series, voltage is differ, but in parallel combination, voltage is same. See the formula. Lesson 5 Acoustics. What is a longitudinal wave? The wave in which the particles of a medium vibrate along the direction of propagation. What is the audible range of frequency? 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. What is the minimum distance needed for an echo? Minimum distance is 17.2 meter. Name 3 animals which can hear ultrasonic vibration. Dogs, mosquitoes, bats. Why does sound travel faster on a rainy day than on a dry day? During rainy day, the velocity of the sound increases as humidity increases. Hence, we can hear the sound clearly. 6th one. Explain why the ceiling of concrete halls are curved. Due to the multiple reflection of sound waves from the curved surface, its intensity changes. Hence, the audience can hear the sound clearly. 7th one. Mention 2 cases in which there is no Doppler effect in sound. When the source and the listener both are at rest and move in a constant distance. 8th one. What are the factors that affect the speed of sound in gases? When the temperature increases, the velocity increases. When the density increases, the velocity decreases. When the humidity increases, velocity of the sound increases. What do you understand by the term ultrasonic vibration? Ultrasonic vibration or sound vibrations with a frequency greater than 20,000 Hz. State the uses of ultrasonic vibration. Ultrasonic communications. Animals like bat communicate with each other. Ultrasonic cleaning. Used to remove impurities from metals. Ultrasonography. To create the images of internal organs. What is an echo? The sound reproduced due to the reflection of the original sound. State two conditions necessary for hearing an echo. The minimum time gap between the original sound and an echo must be 0.1 second. The minimum distance required to hear an echo is 17.2 meter. Then what are the medical application of echo? Echo is used in ultrasonography. How can you calculate the speed of sound using echo? Speed of sound is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Lesson 6 Nuclear Physics. Who discovered natural radioactivity? Henry Becquerel. Which radioactive material is present in the ore of pitchblende? Uranium. Write any two elements which are used for induction radioactive, boron and aluminium. Write the name of the electromagnetic radiation which is emitted during the natural radioactive gamma rays. If A is a radioactive element which emits an alpha particles and produces 104 RF259, write the atomic number and the mass number of the element A. Atomic number is 106 and mass number is 263. What is the average energy released from a single fission process? 3.2 into 10 power minus 11 joule. Which hazardous radiation is cause for the genetic disease? Gamma radiation. What is the amount of radiation that may cause death of a person when exposed to it? 600 Roentgen. When and where was the first nuclear reactor built? In 1942, Chicago, USA. Give the SI unit of radioactive. Becquerel. Then, which material protects us from radiation? Lead. Write the three features of natural artificial radioactivity. Natural radioactivity and artificial radioactivity cannot be controlled, can be controlled. Spontaneous process, induced process. Atomic number more than 83, atomic number less than 83. Define 1 Roentgen, the quantity of radioactive substance which produces a charge of 2.58 into 10 power 4 coulomb in 1 kg of air at standard pressure, temperature and humidity. State Soddy and Fagens's displacement law. Alpha decay, atomic number decreases by 2, mass number decreases by 4. Beta decay, atomic number increases by 1, mass number remains the same. Give the functions of control rods in a nuclear reactor to control the neutrons by absorbing. In Japan, some of the newborn children are having congenital diseases. Why? Due to the high exposure of radiation caused by atom bomb. Mr. Ramu is working as an X-ray technician in a hospital, but he does not wear the lead aprons. What suggestions will you give to the Ramu? I will advise him to wear lead apron. What is stellar energy? Fusion reactions that take place in the core of the stars like Sun emit a large amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Give any uses of radioisotope in the field of agriculture. To increase the production of crops using radiophosphorus to kill the insects and parasites. Compare the properties of alpha, beta, gamma ray, alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays, helium nucleus, electrons, photons, positively charged, negatively charged, neutral charged, ionizing power high, ionizing power low, ionizing power very low, penetrating power very low, penetrating power low, penetrating power very high. What is nuclear reactor? Explain its essential parts with their functions. Device in which the nuclear fusion reaction takes place in a self-sustained and controlled manner to produce electricity. Essential parts: 1 fuel, 2 moderator, 3 control rod, 4 coolant and 5 protection valve.